Hey there! Today we're diving into a problem that you might encounter while working with Homebrew. The problem lies in wanting to reference the path to a certificate file installed as a package, CA certificates, via Homebrew in various config files, like for iSyncMsync. The tricky part is that the SO file is placed in a release-specific directory, which changes with each update. Let's explore the solution step by step. Firstly, when installed locally, you can use the prefix option along with brew to determine the installation location of the package CA certificates. This will give you the path to where the package is located on your system. The structure of this folder doesn't have version folders, making it easier for us to reference the cacert.pem certificate file directly using the path we obtained earlier. By appending sharika certificates cacert.pem to the brew prefix command, we can access the contents of the certificate file. To view the contents of the cacert.pem file, you can use the more command followed by the path we constructed earlier. This will display the bundle of CA root certificates included in the file, which is regularly updated with latest certificate data from Mozilla. In conclusion, by utilizing the brew prefix command and constructing the path to the cacert.pem file, you can easily reference the certificate file installed via Homebrew in your configuration files. This workaround ensures that you can access the certificate file persistently, even with updates to the package. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your favorite tech joke.